Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're going to be doing a review on this machine, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so as you can see, this is how we cut our patterns to make our full sublimated cut and sew t-shirts. I'm gonna wait for the laser to finish. I'm gonna move this a little bit out of the way. And like I was saying, this is our patterns, what we use for our cut and sew full sublimated t-shirts. And obviously, this is the back and this is the front. So we're gonna be doing a review, a true and honest review on this machine. Let me go shut everything down so it's not this loud. Okay, so I turned everything off because it's kind of loud, and to make the video, you know, the extra noise, it doesn't help. However, this is gonna be a review. The laser doesn't have to be on to do the review. Basically, what I'm gonna be telling you is the pros and the cons, what I like about this machine, what I hate about this machine, all that good stuff. I've been having this machine for about 3 years. No, actually a little over than 3 years, right before COVID. And since we got this machine, we had nothing but success with this machine. And I'm being honest. You guys know me. I'm 100% honest. We got this machine right at the beginning of COVID. And with that being said, I want to say thank you to Camfive for sending this machine. As many of you know, I got this machine for free for me to make videos on. And they're gonna send the machine at a better time because they send it right when everything shut down. Like you guys know what happened through COVID. Everything shut down. We were not working. It was just chaos, like complete chaos. Well, at the time I was making face masks by hand. So we cut the patterns by hand, and I was making maybe 50 or 60 per day. And Camfive decided to send us one of these machines, or this machine, to help. And like I said, it couldn't come at a better time, because when this machine showed up, I went from making 50 face masks a day to making, with this machine, just cutting, not putting them together, but cutting 1,050 masks in 1 hour. So that's how much faster this machine was. It was critical for the success of the business. It was critical for the business to stay afloat, and we owe that to Camfive. Camfive actually helped us through the whole chaotic times that we went through this past few years. That being said, let's get into the pros and cons, or what is it that I don't like, what is it that I like about the machine. And to be honest with you, I have very little, if any, things that I don't like about this machine. I don't have literally nothing bad to say about this machine. Everything works perfectly. Everything has outperformed whatever I put in here. In a little bit, I'm going to show you, or let me show you the things that we do. Like the latest things that we've been doing is we've been cutting Christmas ornaments, what we've done in the past. Let me show you other things that we've done. This is foam, and just regular foam, right? We cut this. This is for my daughter's birthday. Some of the things that we've done. T-shirts, man, t-shirts, cut and sew t-shirts. We have done thousands of this, thousands. Scrunchies. That's another thing that we have been doing in the scrunchies. Let me tell you, whenever we cut this right here, there's a piece of waste of material over here in the side. That material, we were giving it away to painters so they can clean. Well, we decided to create scrunchies out of that waste, so minimizing the waste. So now we're making a lot of scrunchies. You know, this one is like Christmas. Other things that we've done, keychains. We have done, again, thousands. It's upside down? No, it's good. Thousands of keychains. This is usually what it looks like. Let me show you a finish. Let me see if I have one. Yeah, right here. This is the finished product. This is what it will look like. This is leather. So we have cut leather, foam, fabric, twill for patches, more patches, my logo. And lately we've been doing minimalist wallets or money clips. Another thing that we have done that it was very, very successful is our jigs. Some of you or a bunch of you have this jig. This is to, you know, put your logos on your shirts. Jigs that I create for myself. This jig right here is to put this together. This is acrylic that the laser has cut. So I can't even open it. This is supposed to open in 3. Probably glued it together. There you go. So this is a jig to put this wallet together. Kind of like that. And then you just put the little piece right there. Wood. This is wood. Where is it at? This is wood. Again, ornaments. And it does everything. We do on the laser, we do the engraving and we do the cutting. Everything the machine does on its own. So we have done cups, Yetis, mugs, beer mugs, a bunch of stuff that we had done in this machine. And till now, I haven't put anything. This machine, the only thing it cannot cut, if I was to say something negative about the machine, which I know that's not what it's made for. The only thing that cannot be cut with this machine, it's metal. Any type of metal, the machine will not cut it because the laser is not strong enough to cut it. So that's not what this laser is for. That's why it doesn't cut it. That's about the only thing. If I was to get another machine, which in the future, I'm gonna get another machine, the only thing that I will probably change on this machine, it will be the size this way. And that's not saying that there's something wrong with this machine. It's just that what I was saying earlier, see this will be waste. And we actually probably gonna get a bigger machine that we can put more stuff on it. This one measures 51 inches this way and 36 this way. So it's a pretty big machine. In 3.5 years that we had this machine, the only thing that we actually changed, let me move this over here. Actually, I could have grabbed the actual thing. In here, there's a lens that goes obviously right there. It's the only thing that we have changed in this machine, and it cost me $20. It's like 25 bucks. That's the only thing. I spend more money on water, you know, to cool it down, than I spend on the machine. So basically, like I'm actually struggling to give you something that is a con against this machine that is, you know, something that I don't like. And I'm struggling to tell you, hey, I don't like something. And I'm struggling to tell you, hey, this is what I don't like about this machine. Because honestly, I honestly don't have anything that I don't like about this machine. Okay, so an honest review of this machine, it will be, there's nothing wrong I can say about this machine. So it's like, how can I even start to make an honest review if, I'm honestly struggling to give you something bad about this machine. Now let me tell you, when Camfive sent this machine to me, I had no experience. I have never seen a laser in my life before. They sent this machine, and when it came in, I had made a room for it. But when it showed up, I was like, dang, I mean, this machine is massive. It's big, right? So when it showed up, I was like, dude, I have to like seriously move stuff around in my shop, because you know my shop is very limited to space. So it shows up, right? And I was like, what the heck am I gonna do? Again, no experience whatsoever. And the software that they send me, it's Lightburn. Lightburn, it's when people ask me how easy is Lightburn, I said it's dumb easy. It's stupid easy. I picked it up in about a half a day. So it's that easy to use. The software, again, the software that they send, and I don't even have like the professional one. I got like the beginner's level. I've been wanting to upgrade it, but it's like, I don't know. But anyways, everything that you see here, everything is so easy, like super easy to use. The panel is so easy to use. Dude, I am actually struggling to make this video because there's nothing wrong. There's like nothing that I can tell you about this machine that I can say, you know what, don't get it because of this, don't get it because of that. There's nothing. I'm literally, honestly struggling to tell you guys something bad about this machine. There's honestly nothing. Right now it's like 9 p.m. I started making this video 12 hours ago, and that's how bad I'm struggling. It's just like, dude, man, it's like so hard to make this video. This is probably the hardest video I have ever tried to make, and you can tell I'm actually struggling, and I'm getting frustrated because it should be such an easy video to make, and I'm just struggling. I don't even know what to say other than this has helped our business so much, so much. I use this laser for our business about 30% of the business. Our bread and butter is screen printing and embroidery. And for me to say that we're using this laser 30%, that should tell you a lot. 30% is a lot when we do mainly screen printing and embroidery. And now that we brought in sublimation, dude, we couldn't keep up without having this laser cutting our patterns. Now, who is this laser for? This is for somebody that's serious about getting a laser, to getting into like the business that the laser is going to bring. I use the laser, or the potential of the laser, I use it about maybe 2%. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I use it for so very little things that this laser can do. This is for a company that's do high production. Maybe some of you are going to say, well, that's not a big name brand. And I could agree with you, but I can tell you it does just about the same thing that the other high priced lasers do. As you can see, I'm still struggling. Is this for a hobbyist? Yeah, I mean, you can use it if you're a hobbyist, if you want to do stuff, like say for example, you know, if you want to do just leather keychains, you know, if you just want to do wallet keychains, if you want to do little things, you know, you can do that. It's very, very easy to use. I guess the only thing I'm going to have to ask about this, because this is probably the worst video that you guys are ever going to see from me, it's what do you think about the laser? It's like, what do you want to see the laser do? Do you want me to put it to the test? Send me something, bring me something, or tell me to do something on this machine so you guys can see it, because I'm literally struggling to make this video. 12 hours in the making, and I still don't have anything. So there's nothing I can tell you wrong about this machine. Not one thing. Not one thing. They told me that I was going to that I was going to be looking into replacing the laser tube in about 2 years. Well, the laser's already been working for 3.5 years, and it's still cutting. As you saw it at the beginning, it's cutting perfectly. It works perfectly. If you guys are in the market for something like this, I will say give this guys a call. You know, give him a call. See what you guys. You don't have to get something this big. You don't. They sell smaller lasers. Me, because of the things that this laser has produced for our business, I feel that now we need a bigger one because we're actually outgrowing this laser. And we're gonna need a bigger one, maybe by the end of next year or within a year. We might be looking into getting a bigger laser. So the only thing I can say at this time, because I'm struggling so bad to make this video, I'm tired. It's 12 hours making this video, and as you can see, it's not the best video. The only thing that I can do at this point is reach out to you guys and tell me what is it that you want me to do with this machine so you guys can see how well it performs. So put in the comments below, what is it that you want me to do? Remember, it cannot cut metal. That's not what this machine is made for. It cannot cut metal. And there's also a thickness that is capable of cutting. I cut a bunch of acrylic. I've done thousands upon thousands of this acrylic jigs, which you guys seen it. I use an 1/8" acrylic. Leather, wood, clocks. I've done so many things that at this point, please, on the comments below, let me know what you want to see this laser do so you guys can see how well it performs. I am big time struggling, so I'm going to cut this video right now. This is it for the video, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Camfive, I really do appreciate it. You have no idea how much you actually helped our business and how you actually helped my home to stay afloat during those chaotic times during COVID. This is what kept us going. I want to say that this has maybe about 75% to do of us not going under. Honestly, this laser actually kept us afloat, and I want to say about 75% of our business during the chaotic times. This is what helped us. So thank you guys. God bless you. Please let me know what you want me to do, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you, and oh, God bless you.